Greetings everyone, welcome back to Saffron and Cypress channel. Yay! So today we have an AUSTRORAPTOR video. We have the original dino trackers right here. Where's the DNA scans right there? This is the original. And I also have another dino tracker that I sort of repainted it. I painted the feet and gave it the tail a bit, you know, give it a little change. I also gave some dark spots. You can tell right there the difference. Look at the back. I added some brown spots. The belly part, or the rib cage, and then the snout. Look at that. And of course we have the Dino Reveal a few weeks ago. This is the common one. Okay, I think I found the ultra rare now. That's why I brought these guys out. Hopefully this is it. This one right here.
Please.
The last one. Hopefully, okay.
It's like blue.
So we're gonna unveil it and we'll see what's in it. Hopefully it really is the ultra rare AUSTRORAPTOR.
You just need the last one.
Yes, this one right here.
Yeah, you didn't got that yet.
Yes,
the last big
we don't have that yet. So let's check it out, okay guys? Let's unbox it.
Yeah,
so let's cross our fingers and hopefully this is the right thing. And then later we're gonna have a special surprise after this video. So we're gonna check this out now. We got our water ready over there. Hopefully this is the right. Let's open it up, okay guys? I'm trying to be careful opening this because I'm trying to save the cover casing. Alright, so here it is. Saifa said she wants to open it, so let's give her a chance. There you go. Here you go, Saifa. Do it.
To me? Well, I don't have this.
What is it?
You don't have to say
Hopefully
that.
it's an AUSTRORAPTOR, the ultra rare one. Oh, I think we did. Look at that. We did good.
I don't want
So
to
let's.
keep this.
All right, Safra says he wants to put it in the water, so let's do it.
Oh, sorry, dinosaur. Sorry, dinosaur.
Let's open the case.
Don't spill it.
And there you go, Safra.
Go like that.
Okay, the AUSTRORAPTOR now.
Oh my God.
We got it.
I need the bubble go down. I'm gonna wait the bubble. Oh my God! I could leave it like it instead.
Give it a couple of minutes.
Yeah, like that.
Wipe your hand. All right, we need a rag. Hang on. There you go. Dirt coming out.
I want to go keep that, Daddy.
Alright, it's working. It's working. Look at the color. That looks so cool. Put it back, Saifa.
It's like golden.
Okay.
We're gonna rinse it. Change the water. Looks like there's a little glitters in there.
Also the little tail.
Oh yeah, I see.
Okay. True colors are showing now. Look at that. We have another variant of the AUSTRORAPTOR. It was super cool.
We got the right one.
Yes, we did. There we go. We need more water. There he is. Looking good. Super cool. We have finally complete the AUSTRORAPTOR.
Look,
It's ultra rare.
we got the right one.
And then we're gonna unveil our surprise.
Can I wipe it that?
Okay, let's take it out now. There you go. Saifa's gonna dry it up, wipe all the excess dirt. There we go.
Thank you, Daddy.
Alright, so if you want to get the ultra rare AUSTRORAPTOR, it's actually BI right there. Okay, guys? The last two letters should be a BI. Because this one is a C. The common is a C one. There you have it.
You ready our price?
And here it is now, our AUSTRORAPTOR. Our ultra rare AUSTRORAPTOR. For some reason they didn't put the letter here. So here's our two Dino Reveal AUSTRORAPTORs. Looks like a golden one. And here's our regular dino tracker. And now we're gonna go to our special surprise. Really, Separate? You can do that?
I'm so excited.
What's in here? We're gonna unbox it.
It better be beautiful.
No, I doubt it, because the Mutodon will be a bigger box.
What? Oh man!
This is not the Mutodon. What's in here? What's in here? Oh! What? A Hammond Collection Dryosaurus! Finally! We have it! This thing is so hard to find. For some reason there's snow. It says made in Vietnam here. Weird. That's the first time it says. It doesn't say the... weird. But anyways, at least we got it already through FX.
I want to keep
From
this
Mattel.
box, Daddy.
Sure. Alright, so there you go.
I want to keep
We finally have a Dryosaurus. And let's go back to our main one here.
get a big box next time I make it.
Our Dino Reveal Ultra Rare AUSTRORAPTOR. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you guys. Look at that. Nice.
What is this?
So different eye color. This one is a little teal. This one's like a yellowish or lime green eye. Look at that. Alright guys. Our 4 AUSTRORAPTORs ready to rule. Why is it blurry? Alright. Well, see you again in the next video. Thank you so much. You guys have a happy holidays now. Happy holidays. Bye. Au revoir.